Hey, what's happening? Jeremiah here. I'm still in Hawaii and I want to show you how to do a tap trap. Pretty simple. There's only a few steps that you need to learn. And the first one is being able to throw a club as a flat, just like this. It helps to cheat your hand up just a little bit toward the center of gravity, and that helps you get a more effective flat. And then you're going to take the second club and come at it perpendicular, pointing up to tap the handle of the club that you're going to trap with the body of the other club. You're going to do that to make it spin horizontally off of that tap. Practice catching it, even though you won't really need that, it's going to be useful. And then you're going to want to make sure to follow through with that trap so that the tapping club ends up on the other side of your body. Now we need to talk about the trap itself. So to do the trap, you can just hold one club out in front and you're going to come over the top of it and trap it between the handle of the club and your wrist. The trap should be mostly done with the fingertips, and you're going to snap the trap against your wrist. Kind of feels like a praying mantis catching a fly. You don't want to do this. This is not a good quality trap. It's mostly in the fingers. And so you're going to chop down on top of that club. And you can practice with a little flat. You can flip it and try and catch it in that position, timing the trap just right. You don't really need to rotate the club any differently than if you're going to catch it normally. But notice I'm catching it behind my shoulder, kind of like a penguin catch. And then finally, you're going to use that helicopter tap to catch it in the same fashion. It nicely sort of wraps around the arm in a sense. Little flat, tap, trap. Now you can tap it a little harder to get a double spin. You can throw the helicopter into that trap. You just have to start kind of with it back and it comes off the ring finger and the pinky finger side to enter the helicopter. Lastly, you can pattern this trick. Once you've done your first one, then you're going to lift up and the club that's in your hand, the one that's doing the trapping of the club, is going to be tapped. Now notice the trapped club I have pointing up, and that's going to be important. When I toss it up, I need to keep the orange club as flat as possible and grab that blue one and get it out of the way, tapping the handle with the new incoming club. You're going to lift up the trap so that it's vertical. And I'm going to toss the whole collection of clubs into the air, switch grips, and grab the trapped one to get it out of the way before I tap the one that's in my hand, or the handle of it, specifically in the same fashion that I did before to cause it to helicopter. Now it traps on the other side. Then it all cycles. So now the club that's doing the trapping, the blue one in this case, that's in my hand, that's going to be the next trapped club. Notice the trapped club still pointing up. So my arm is in this upward position. Won't work down here, not in the same way anyway. So lift, grab the green one, tap the blue one. Now I'm going to tap the orange one, tap the green one, tap the blue one. So when I lift it, I really try and make sure that that trap is flat. See that? That's a tappable and trappable club. Ooh. Well, that's all I got for you right now. Thanks for tuning in. If you want some more little tutorials like this, check out the YouTube or the Patreon. There's little tutorials, there's long tutorials at Juggling with Jeremiah. See you out there.